Hi, this video today I'm going to talk about what are affirmations and how we can use them in more effective manner in order to fulfill all the desires that we have. Yes, all the desires, be it more money, be it a beautiful attracting your soulmate relationship, or be it a perfect health. So friends, first of all, let's understand what are affirmations. Affirmation is like a formula. You click it and you get your result. So these are basically positive statements that you make repeatedly. So how are affirmations different from thoughts? Thoughts are all over, all the time, while you are working in your office, or if you are cooking in your kitchen. You have random thoughts all the time, which are good, bad, it depends. Now, affirmation are wherein out of all the thoughts that you have, out of all that basket, you consciously pick up certain thoughts, okay, with a purpose of, let's say, self-development or prosperity. So that is something very positive, okay? You're doing it to enhance something in your life, to value add in your life. So those selected thoughts out of the entire kitty of the thoughts, okay, will become your affirmations. Now, these affirmations you have to just speak, but you have to do this consistently on daily basis. For example, let's say you want to be rich. You want to attract more and more money, wealth, credibility in your kind of setup that you have. So first of all, you have to choose the statements which fit in the desire that you have. So let's say I want to be rich and I want to attract more abundance. So affirmation could be something like this. I am being abundant and attracting a lot of fame and prosperity. So this becomes an affirmation. And now I keep repeating it like a chant. I keep saying it whenever I get time, for 5 minutes, morning, evening, whenever, every day. Also, when you say it repeatedly, the point is you have to feel it, okay? The more emotions and intensity you put into it, the faster and more accurate result you will get. So just like you have law of gravity and you have various universal laws, similarly, this is the law. At times, we've had cases wherein people have manifested their desires within 2 days, 48 hours, okay? Or maybe a week's time, even if it was impossible to achieve it. Only because they believed in it, they had faith, they used the power of affirmation, and when they were using the affirmation, they were feeling it. They had put in their real emotions into it. So you have to feel it. So let's say you want to attract a beautiful soulmate relationship in your life. So rather than saying that, okay, I am connecting with my soulmate. So saying that will also help. However, to make it quicker and effective, you can think about it. You can put in more life into that affirmation, into that thought, okay? Thinking about what are some of the things that you would do once you meet your partner. How would it feel? So that happiness you have to feel. And I understand it is a tough job because you can't have those feelings till the time you've met your partner. However, that's the idea. You have to fake it till you make it. And if you do it, it is very, very powerful. So you can use affirmation for even, let's say, weight loss. If you look fat, when you look at yourself in the mirror and you start programming your subconscious mind by using affirmations and giving the intensity, because please understand, every thought has a frequency, it has a vibration that the thought resonates on, okay? So when you start telling the universe by using affirmation that I am slim, I have a beautiful slim body, I am looking graceful, so accordingly your weight would start to shed. So this is something that I wanted to empower you with. Please go ahead and use the affirmations for whatever desires you want to manifest. If you want to grow spiritually and have a ascension in your life, or it's a beautiful car that you wish to buy soon, or even bigger. So please use affirmation and manifest your desire and create a lot of happiness for you, your family, your friends around. Thank you so much. In case you have more questions, please feel free to give us a call or visit our center, Bodhisattva PS Meditation and Holistic Healing Center. It would be a pleasure to guide you further. Thank you so much. All the best. God bless you. Namaste.